turn on the radio. All right. Today we are going to look at the walking tractor. Many of our subscribers have asked for this video. Please remember, if you have any equipment you want us to review, don't hesitate to drop us an email or you can leave a comment below. So you are new to farming and you don't really want to go big on spending on a big tractor. Well, you need a machine that is versatile and can help you manage your farm. Well, walking tractor could be the right fit for you. Alright, so you have a few acres of land and you're eager to start your farming endeavor. It could be livestock, it could be an acre of vegetables, an orchard farm, whatever it is. But there's so much work to do to get the land ready and in shape. You have got to clear that bush, chip all the branches, till the land, okay, the list goes on. You are going to need something that can mow, something that can chip, something that will till the land and get the plot ready. There is a machine that is fortunately overlooked by many farmers in North America, but many small-scale agriculture farmers in Europe, Asia and Africa use this. Just like I said, this machine is many times overlooked. It has many names. Some people call it the soil cultivator. Sometimes it's referred to as power walking tractor, a two-wheel tractor, or a walk-behind tractor. Alright, so what is a walking tractor? As its name states, a walking tractor is a tractor, that is, a power source that can operate multiple equipment or implements, just like a four-wheel farm tractor. A true walk-behind tractor shares the same durable, high-quality design one would expect in a traditional tractor. All-gear drive, automated style clutch, commercial gas or diesel engine, and a shaft-driven implements. The big difference with a walk-behind tractor is it's smaller, only has a single axle, has a set of handlebars rather than a steering wheel, and obviously you walk behind it rather than ride on top or sit. One of the biggest advantages of having a walk-behind tractor is you can fit many different implements or equipments, or would say accessories, just like you see here. Many of the implements or the accessories are easy to attach or to remove. The big question is it right for me? Most equipment is scale appropriate, and the work behind tractors are no exception. You wouldn't want to buy a 50 horsepower tractor to mow a single acre. And likewise, you wouldn't want to buy a working tractor to mow 50 acres. For the correct scale, working tractors are extremely practical. For the correct scale, working tractors are extremely practical. They are great for up to a couple of acres of garden, 15 acres of hay, and 10 acres of bush mowing. That's good enough, right? Working tractors are very stable on slopes and take very little space to maneuver. The steeper and rougher the terrain, the more the working tractor becomes a more attractive option. But most important, you will definitely need to be able to walk alongside it. Yes, how much does a working tractor cost? They range from $400 to $5,000 or even more, depending on the brand and the horsepower. And please don't forget, we will have new videos every week. If you have any equipment you want us to review, please send us an email or leave us a message below. We will surely get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.